Imagine the future of global driving. Not decades from now, but right this second. The stakes have never been higher. Every road tells a story. Every second matters. What if your car could think? Protect, predict, remember. Meet the future of driving, AI Road Copilot. All right, welcome to today's Explainer. While that opening might sound like a cinematic vision from a sci-fi movie, the technology we're digging into today is incredibly real, and it is happening right now. We're unpacking a massive, literal game changer in intelligent transportation. We're talking about a unified, all-encompassing operating system for modern drivers. So it's not just a dash cam, and it's definitely not just another navigation app. It is a full-blown AI ecosystem designed to completely revolutionize how we interact with the road. Let's dive in. Section 1. AI Vision and Threat Detection. Okay, so to really understand this system, we have to look at the tech that basically gives this copilot its eyes. It relies on some seriously advanced, deep learning convolutional neural networks, specifically a model called YOLO-11, which stands for You Only Look Once. Now, these aren't your traditional, clunky, slow algorithms. YOLO-11 allows the system to instantly analyze traffic patterns, classify different vehicles, and spot potential threats in real time, and it adapts instantly to whatever the weather or lighting conditions are doing outside. Basically, your car is literally watching and decoding the environment faster than your own brain can even process it. Section 2. IOV and Crash Response. But, sometimes avoiding threats just isn't enough. So what happens in those critical split-second moments of an actual collision? Well, we see this incredibly complex architectural flow that goes from the edge, meaning the device is right there in your car, all the way up to the cloud. Now, traditional crash detection has a huge problem with false alarms. You drop your phone on the floorboard or you hit a really bad pothole and suddenly it's calling 911. On-device filters actually solve this. They combine data from the vehicle's accelerometers, gyroscopes, and dash cams locally, processing it right there in the car to figure out what really happened. The absolutely crucial part here is a three-step verification process. Step 1 is sensor fusion. The system detects a sudden G-force spike from the gyro and a massive rapid speed drop from the GPS. Step 2 is video CNN validation. This is where the dashcam's neural network visually confirms, yes, a collision just occurred. And step 3, once it's verified, the system securely and automatically dispatches an e-call to a PACE app. That's a public safety answering point. It alerts emergency services and even nearby users. All of this happens in split seconds. It virtually eliminates those annoying false alarms and makes sure help is dispatched immediately when it's actually needed. Section 3. Monitoring the human element. Now, a truly intelligent car doesn't just watch the road, right? It watches the driver. Driver drowsiness is a massive, massive contributor to global accidents. So the AI copilot uses infrared sensors and complex deep learning models, things like CNNs and long short-term memory architectures, to actually analyze sequences of your behavior over time. It's actively monitoring your eye blinking, yawning, your head pose, and then cross-referencing all of that with your steering and lane deviation. It's literally designed to catch driver fatigue before it becomes fatal. It alerts you before you even realize you're drifting off. And this specific technology completely changes the wider picture of road safety and compliance. For decades, we've relied on traditional enforcement, right? Periodic roadside police observation, but let's be honest, it's just a snapshot and frankly, it just doesn't scale. AI compliance changes the whole game. We are moving from those outdated manual checks to the relentless efficiency of always-on AI monitoring. It's looking for critical safety behaviors, making sure you keep your hands off your phone and that your seatbelt is actually buckled. And at the infrastructure level, this tech is already out there being deployed. Take these Acusensus AI cameras, which are positioned over highways. They process high-resolution images of passing vehicles to automatically flag things like handheld phone use and unfastened seatbelts. In their initial trials, these automated systems captured literally thousands of violations that human police simply could not see. It really proves just how underdetected these dangerous behaviors have been. But the compliance tools don't stop at highway cameras. They extend directly into your pocket and your dashboard. Apps like Drive Commander can actually auto-restrict distracting phone functions while the car is moving. For professional drivers, fleet telematics platforms like Samsara provide inward-facing cameras that detect distraction and give instant real-time coaching feedback. Meanwhile, telematics insurance is using your phone's GPS and accelerometer to score your driving, actively rewarding you for safe behavior. Section 4. The business of safety. So when you take all of these disparate safety technologies and unify them, it scales into a massive business opportunity. Because think about it, right now the driver's experience is completely fragmented. You've got Waze open for navigation, a totally separate piece of hardware stuck to your windshield for your dash cam, another app for your insurance, maybe another one for fuel or roadside assistance. It's distracting and it's highly inefficient. The AI Road Copilot represents the unified future. It's a single, voice-first AI ecosystem that handles all of this natively. It's basically bringing Tesla-level software integration to literally any vehicle on the road. And the total addressable market for this? It is staggering. To put it into perspective, the connected car market is valued at over $100 billion. Fleet management sits at over $50 billion. And just the standalone dashcam market, which is currently at nearly $5 billion, is projected to double by 2030. By consolidating all these services into one place, the AI Copilot is tapping into an astronomical global market pool. So how does it make money? It monetizes through a really smart, highly scalable subscription structure. You have a freemium tier to drive rapid user acquisition, offering your basic dashcam, GPS, and 24-hour cloud services totally for free. Then you step up to a pro tier at roughly $7.99 a month, and that unlocks the heavy AI features, voice assistance, unlimited AI event detection, smart fuel analytics. Finally, there's a highly lucrative fleet model that charges anywhere from $15 to $50 per vehicle per month, providing enterprise companies with comprehensive dashboards and deep driver monitoring. What makes this business model so incredibly resilient is the lean tech stack running behind the scenes. By utilizing mobile frameworks like React Native with Vision Camera, a fast API backend, and lightweight local AI models like YOLO and Whisper, the development cycle is lightning fast. And because the founding team brings full-stack AI and systems architecture expertise in-house, they operate with a near-zero burn rate for development. This is a real game changer because it allows for rapid iteration without heavy capital expenditure. They are immediately turning technological efficiency into pure business impact. Section 5, the Ultimate Road Copilot. So, where does this all lead? The roadmap is strategically mapped out across 4 distinct phases. Phase 1 focuses on the MVP, the minimum viable product, getting the AI dashcam and cloud uploads running flawlessly. Phase 2 introduces conversational voice AI and driver scoring. Phase 3 opens up APIs to the insurance and fleet marketplaces. And finally, Phase 4 evolves the whole platform into a true autonomous copilot, integrating with hardware and smart city data networks. It literally transforms an app into an intelligent infrastructure. Now, you might be wondering, why hasn't this been done perfectly before? Well, the timing here is a massive catalyst. We are at this really unique convergence point. First off, AI vision models have become incredibly mature and really cheap to run. Second, the boom in electric vehicles and micromobility, like e-bikes and scooters, just demand smarter software. Third, our mobile phones now possess the massive processing power required to actually run edge AI locally. And finally, the insurance industry is aggressively demanding automated, data-driven crash verification. The environment is just perfectly primed. Which brings us to the ultimate question, as we stand on the brink of this intelligent new frontier. The operating system for drivers is no longer science fiction. It is scaling right now, today. So, are you ready to let your car think for you?